Enda. Barimini.
Man, tell me about you and Sjugu.
Who?
Sjugu. Do you know Sjugu?
Hey, man.
He doesn't know Sjugu. He doesn't know him. Enda Barimini, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a special episode of the podcast. I've got the king of Amapiano, Kabza the Small.
Where's I'm in the building, boy?
Damn, bro, like, remember the first time I met you?
Oh shit, we were at backstage, right?
Yeah, I mean, you were backstage,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
and
yeah,
I couldn't get to the backstage because I wanted to talk to you.
Yeah,
And then you started playing.
Oh
And I
yeah.
was like, fuck me, this guy's amazing. This guy's amazing. How do you do it?
Hey, my brother, it's all talent, boy.
Yeah.
I talented, boy. Get Marakisha Papiano. One
Fuck.
time.
So, like, do you fuck these girls? Are you do?
Why would you ask
It
me those
does.
type of questions in front of the camera and that?
But no bis.
No, ask a Pori, boy. Ask a Pori.
I mean, I saw Lord Pori with the 2000s. You also deal with 2000s. Ne?
Come
I
on,
want,
and that.
dog, I want to be famous like you guys. I mean,
Oh, man.
the stuff that you guys been doing since 2019 to 2020.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Hey, it's been a long trip, man. Nigga. It's been like from A to B, and Pori has been like putting me on,
Yeah.
and then we've been shaparing piano, boy.
Damn, I mean, I saw you. Oh, you have so many cars. What are you doing? Is it money laundering? I'm probably laundering money, this guy.
Mara, why would you put money on that?
Are you laundering money?
Cameras and that. Come on, boy.
Damn, this is
Come on,
crazy.
boy.
Tell me about black coffee.
Mrakishapangwani, paka.
Wow. Damn, you're doing amazing stuff, man.
Piano, boy. Shapa piano. Ask a Pori, boy.
Yeah.
Shapa piano. Ask a
Tell me about you and Sjugu.
Who?
Sjugu. Do you know Sjugu?
Hey, man.
He doesn't know Sjugu. He doesn't know him.
It's not like I don't know the guy, but fair too. That guy, he was claiming he came with the piano. I mean,
Yeah.
But who came with the pianos?
Oh, you did?
This nigga claiming he came with the pianos. Yeah, that's Daggy, bro.
That's Daggy. It's Sjugu. It's Daggy.
I don't want to tell you coming here with
Yeah.
the pianos. That's Daggy.
He's saying he taught you everything.
And like, what's in the motor piano?
Akazinext.
It's in speaking of my piano, man. That's boring, man. He'll tell you.
Yeah.
Hey. Stack it.
Oh man, I'm having a time of my life.
But I make G, boy.
Yeah.
Like shaba, egg your show, boy. You can't get numbers and that.
Nah, I'm trying. You saw what I did on Twitter?
Ah.
And it made me trend.
Ah,
I was trending at number 1.
Yeah, I saw that.
Can you get me Pori on the show?
Well, hey, bro.
I want to ask him about the 2000s. I want to ask him about the 2000s. I have to.
Well, you have to call him, dog. You have to talk to Pori, but I can call you his number.
Do you have his number?
Yeah, I can call you
Fuck,
his number.
let's call him. Let's call Pori now.
Why you want to put him on the live too?
Yeah.
One time. Okay, let me get you his number.
Guys, we're about to call Pori. I need Pori on the show. He needs to tell me more about this 2000s.
Yeah, here's his number, bro.
That's a skate. Got to skate. G.O.D. the only thing keeping me alive. If I OD, it is okay. It's been hell of a lot. G.O.D.